Vervelt zich in een minuut. Dat is MOTORCROSSEN. Dat is motocrossen, de mooiste sport die je kent. Dat is MOTOCROSS. Dat is motocrossen, bevalt me nog best. De Nederlandse crosser stelt op internationaal met. Door de grote fabrikanten wordt er weer op onze boys gelet. En is er weer een wedstrijd in de binnen of in het buitenland.
Don't you ever mess with my son. Don't you cross. Don't you ever cross on path. You should know we're about to set our fire. No, go. Yes, you go. Here comes Boss Hoss. We got anger, wrangle, rising guys. If we're walking to a bar, we don't need no harm, no. There's no stretch too long to bring you a soul. We're on the trail on the long track. Now listen to me, baby. Don't waste no time, 'cause it's gonna be fun. Why don't you cruise alone? Don't you ever mess with I said no. 'Cause we're Boss Hoss. Round and round, back to the middle and don't say no. Coming up, fellas, yeah, what the hell, the goddamn son of a gun. Hear that sound, gotta jump around, move your ass and raise your hands. Coming up, boys, grab a girl, the world around till the break of dawn. Don't be a square and be there. Don't. If we wanna get right on the rock chair. If you can't resist it, take the risk that exists. Yes, sir. For the money, for the show, for the gold, for the flow, for the beat, for the G's, see the moonlight mask. We got Russ and Ghost, good on Hank and Frank, and we're rocking the bar. We don't mean no harm, no. It's a time, it's a place to keep going. Now we're on the trail on the long track. Now listen to me, baby. Don't waste no time, 'cause it's gonna be fine. No, why don't you croon along? Don't be a square. Don't be a square and be there. No. Cause we're on fire. Round and round, back to the middle and don't say no. Coming out, fellas, yeah, what the hell, the goddamn son of a gun. Hear that sound, gotta jump around, move your ass and raise your hands. Coming out, boys, grab a girl, the world around till the